Ahmad, you remember Ahmad? Back in the day? Back in the day when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. um, okay. But Shopify and Chewy. Shopify and Chewy, I don't understand these stocks. Two popular growth stocks. Um, Shopify trading at $73. Chewy trading at $18. Chewy is profitable. Shopify is not. Chewy's float is 117 million, whereas Shopify's float is 1.2 billion. So I just don't get it. I would put my money in Chewy right now, trading at $18, the all-time low for Chewy. And we know that that company is just a behemoth in the pet industry, and it's just going to keep growing. Shopify, like I said, isn't even profitable. Huge float. I don't know. This is just I just wanted your opinions on this. Let me know what y'all think about Chewy or Shopify. Chewy is at an absolute bargain right now. That's it. That's all I got. So have a beautiful, blessed night, everybody. Bye-bye.